Good evening, everyone. I am Mrs. Chitrarekha Ravindranath Jadhav from Raigad, Panvel. Today, I am going to present my classroom-based research. My research question is how student can do conversation and active participation in conversation. How students can improve their English conversation and communication skills. What are the problems faced by students while communicating in English? What is the reason of doing mistakes in communication and conversation? How will I help them for better performance and guidance? For this research, my objectives are students will speak confidently and fluently in English on simple topics. This will definitely create confidence of speaking. Make up mindset of students for NEP National Education Policy 2020. Students will make good use of mobile for learning. Students will utilize their timing during COVID-19 lockdown. Inspire for its self-study. Students will learn with fun and enjoy. For the data collection, I use these tools: a random survey method, experiment method, implementation of solution. Quantitative data collection, I use these tools: audio clips, responses from students, discussions, WhatsApp, phone call, online Zoom meeting, and Google Meet meeting. Qualitative data, I use these tools: questionnaire, reflection worksheet of responses, and daily observation diary, which is based on online Zoom meeting and Google Meet presentation, which is done by student. Exploratory question plan for implementation is the prime motto: Shala Band Shikshan Suru, means schools are closed, education is still going on, not to stop. I have done the of action plan of this with our school team. Online and offline planning for develop communication skill on simple topics. Prepare worksheet, send it daily in a school WhatsApp group. Prepare audio clips and video clips regarding to that conversation and take practice. PDF file of conversation, its meaning in mother tongue with proper pronunciation of each and every word and sentence. Arrange Zoom and Google Meet meetings for guidance and practice. Observe their progress and guide them. Take observation notes and help them according to students' need. I create some puzzles on WordWall, some questionnaires on Quizzer.com and Google Forms. Print PDF for distribution for online work. Group call, video call, the normal call for guidance and evaluation and motivations are done in this project for my students. The findings: it creates interest in English subject. Student are enjoying to take part in the activities. Try to read the given conversation, listen audio clips carefully, and practice with their family members and peers online Zoom meeting. It helps them to increase their confidence with audio clips and podcast and video clips. Students learn with comfort and easily. Try to create small conversation and use the sentences and languages which are they learn in the previous activities. This built up their confidence. It impact on their formative evaluation as well as summative evaluation. It improves their communication and conversation skill in day-to-day life on simple topics. Students prepare sentences, speak, read, write, pronounce properly. This improves their confidence of speaking English. Students take active participation in communication and conversation on online platform. It improves their grades and informative evaluation. Learn and enjoy. It will help them to improve their listening, reading and writing and speaking skills also. It creates healthy environment and bond between teacher and student and parents in this pandemic. Thank you.